One thing, sir, again I would say, sir, there is a correction which is required, sir. I don't know why the BRS government, they might be having some reasons for doing or taking the decision of giving water free, sir. इतना बड़े बड़े एक एक अपार्टमेंट सर 5 करोड़ 10 करोड़ 20 करोड़ का है, लेकिन फ्री वाटर मिलता है। अरे गरीबों को फ्री दीजिए सर, ये पैसे वालों को फ्री क्यों दे रहे हैं? हाईटेक सिटी, गच्चीबौली, बड़ा बड़ा अपार्टमेंट, नहीं इसको फ्री दे रहे हैं। प्रॉबेबली टू लिफ्ट द रियल एस्टेट के लिए करे थे, पता नहीं, लेकिन ये जरूर कहूंगा सर इसमें करेक्शन की जरूरत है। लेकिन मैं ये भी कहूंगा सर, रियल एस्टेट हैदराबाद का तो पूरा खत्म हो गया है सर, कुछ भी नहीं है मार्केट, थैंक्स टू आई वुड से वो मूसी प्रोजेक्ट का डिमोलिशन हो या हाइड्रा का हो या फिर किसी का हो, लेकिन रियल एस्टेट हैज टोटली कोलैप्स सर। आई डोंट नो how are we going to rescue this real estate? Many people depend on that, sir. The GHMC is facing severe resource crunch now to complete the ongoing works, including construction of flyovers, road widening works, skyways, footover bridges, model markets, sir. Model market थोड़े बने, थोड़े रुक गए सर। शादी खाने मंजूर हुए सर, चंद्रायन गुट्टे में हमारे पास में सर शादी खाने दिए थे, पूरे सिटी में दिए शादी खाने गरीबों के शादी के लिए GHMC की तरफ से सर, वो भी नहीं बन रहे हैं सर। कल्याण मंडपम दिए थे, वो भी नहीं हो रहे हैं। मार्केट्स दिए थे, वो भी नहीं हुए सर। सब पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन प्रोजेक्ट चार मीनार का मैंने जिक्र किया है, पता नहीं कब होगा। मंडी मीरालम कब कंप्लीट होगी, चौके मुर्गी कब होगा नहीं मालूम, फत्तरगट्टी की रोड कब होगी नहीं मालूम सर। नए पुल पे ब्रिजेस आना है, हॉकर्स का कब होगा, वी आर वेटिंग सर। सर ये पुराने शहर को तरक्की देने के लिए मुसलसिल हम बोलते जा रहे हैं, और उसके बाद में हम देखते हैं सर आज क्या होता है सर। हॉकर्स पॉलिसी इज देयर सर। हॉकर पॉलिसी सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट है सर। हॉकर्स को आज आप निकाल रहे हैं, पूरे शहर में जहां पर भी रोड पे हॉकर है उसको निकाल दे रहे हैं, आप उसकी रोजी रोटी छीन ले रहे हैं सर। एज पर वन सर्वे विच वाज डन इन BRS टाइम सर देर आर मोर देन 10 to 20 lakh families which depend on this street vending sir. स्ट्रीट वेंडिंग अगर आप उनको निकाल देंगे तो कैसे होगा सर? व्हेन वी हैव अ हॉकर पॉलिसीज देयर, इंप्लीमेंट ऑन दैट। रमजान के महीने में हम देखते हैं सर क्या हो रहा है मुस्लिम बस्तियों में सर। मुस्लिम बस्तियों में हम देखते हैं कि हर चौरस्ते पे देख रहे हैं एक रोजेदार रोजे को खोलने को जा रहा है, ट्रैफिक को रेगुलेट करने के बजाय पुलिस बैरिकेडिंग करती है और चेकिंग कर रही है, लाइसेंस को देख रही है, इसको देख रही है। अरे रोजेदार को रोजा खोलने दो, उसके फोटोज लेकर परेशान किया जा रहा है रोजेदार को मुस्लिम बस्तियों में। तो आप बताइए क्या यह सही है, क्या यह अच्छा है? इससे आपका नाम होगा। अरे अगर देखना है सर द ट्रैफिक पुलिस, द पुलिस शुड सी दैट sir the people who do not have a license, I'm talking about small children sir, 12 years old, 13 years old, 14 years old, बाइक लेके चले जा रहे हैं, गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, आज उनको पुलिस नहीं पकड़ती है सर। You should catch hold of these youngsters sir, and we should catch hold of the parents of these youngsters sir. ये नहीं होता है सर। सर मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूं कुली कुतुब शाह को दिए सर, फत्तरगट्टी पेडेस्ट्रियनाइजेशन, रिस्टोरेशन ऑफ सरदार महल, मुर्गी चौक, ये स्ट्रक्चर्स कब होगा सर? When we see sir ये this work, implementation of this work was given to Quli Qutub Shah Urban Development Authority sir. The budget for the Quli Qutub Shah is only 63.38 crores, which is not enough to pay the salaries also. तो ये project कैसे करेंगे sir? Sir, I would also like to know sir the whole city connectivity, MGBS to Chandrayana covering 7.5 kilometer stretch is estimated at rupees 2,741 crores. I would also like to know when the whole city connectivity will be completed and metro train will start sir. Honorable Chief Minister साहब had said that कि अकबर साहब 5 साल के खत्म पर हम आप बैठ कर ट्रेन में जाएंगे, छुक जाएंगे। तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि ट्रेन में छुक जाएंगे, चंद्रायन गुट्टे को जाएंगे, हम बोल के बोले हैं, मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि होगा। एंड सर important thing sir, the hike in property tax sir, which really worries me sir in last year's speech sir, वो जियो मैपिंग करने की बात कर रहे थे। देन आई हैड रेज्ड दिस इशू एंड आई सेड डू नॉट डू द जियो मैपिंग, मत करिए बोल के बोला हूं। लेकिन सर ओल्ड सिटी में नहीं हुआ है, न्यू सिटी में जियो मैपिंग, टैगिंग ये सब कर लिए सर, एंड दे से कि नो न्यू टैक्सेस। बट द फैक्ट इज दैट सर इफ वन हाउस यूज्ड टू गेट अ प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स of 600 rupees, the same house is now getting 6,000 rupees property tax sir. 600 से उसको 6,000 कर दिए। ना सिर्फ ये सर, they are also demanding an arrears to be paid sir. तो ये कैसे होता है सर? ये कैसे? आप एक तरफ बोलते हैं कि आप टैक्सेस नहीं बढ़ाएंगे, लेकिन आप दूसरी तरफ से आप टैक्सेस को बढ़ा रहे हैं, नोटिस दे रहे हैं और आप परेशान कर रहे हैं और आप डेवलपमेंट को नहीं कर रहे हैं। द सर्वे यूजिंग ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड डिटेल ग्राउंड सर्वे वाज field survey was taken up initially in some areas and later extended to other areas, sir. Sir, I had expressed my apprehensions then, sir. And now in Tolichoki area में भी यही हो रहा है, sir. 300%, 400% taxes increase हो गए, sir. And now coming to Hydra, sir, I may recall that when the Deputy CMs have announced the formation of high-sounded Hydra of Hyderabad Disaster Relief and Asset Protection Agency, had expressed my misgivings as it reminded the EVDM, Enforcement, Vigilance and Disaster Management Wing that function under GHMC, sir. Though there were no provision for EVDM wing and GHMC Act, this wing function as an independent department as the charges of an IPS officer with separate office vehicle and personnel. The EVDM had played havoc in GHMC area for several years. Now Hydra is created as a super agency with its governing body chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister Saab. Its jurisdiction is spread over the urban core region, comprise the GHMC and other areas, Hyderabad, Rangadi, Medsal, Malkadgiri, Sangareddy district up to ORR. I had warned that this agency would prove counterproductive for the government if it is assigned sweeping powers with regard to penal and regulatory powers vested in other authorities in its jurisdiction. And I would say the collapse of real estate in Hyderabad and the state of Telangana, Hydra is also one of the major reasons for the collapse of real estate, sir. Collapse ho gaya real estate, I would say, sir. They are no buyers, sir. We are saying we are getting investment. But I don't understand why the government is not acting on this. Why is the government not trying to revive this, sir? Sir, and also IT Minister Saab is there. I know he's a very learned person, sir, and he's a very watchful person. Sir, ये गच्ची बोली में दूसरी जगह फॉरेस्ट एरियाज है, उसको आप 400 एकड़ को बेचने की बात कर रहे हैं. See the social media, sir. How the youngsters are opposing that move. They do not want those 2 lakes to disappear from there. They do not want the beautiful rocks to disappear. They do not want a concrete jungle to come there. They want that land to be protected, sir. Kindly look into that, sir. It's very important. We have one park over here.
Sir, the government is also seriously interested in safeguarding the Hyderabad Central University land protection. Sir, reacting to the honorable member and the learned member who knows and is well versed of the facts, Mr. Akbaruddin Owaisi Saab, I would like to mention in terms of Hydra also 1 or 2 points before moving on to SC. Sir, we have to look the perception which has been created by our opposition parties. Why Hydra has been created? What is the purpose and objective of the Hydra? Sir, contrary to the social media, created a perception by the vested interest, I would like to mention on record, Adhyaksha, there is a huge response in terms of Prajavani, in terms of public grievances received by the organization named Hydra. I would like to mention. I would like to come on record, Adhyaksha, 9,078 complaints. The petitions have come, especially from the poorest of the poor people and the lower middle class people. I would like to mention. And out of 9,078 complaints or petitions which were received by the Hydra, 7,249 complaints were attended and disposed of. Just see the happiness in the poor people and the lower middle class people where they got the justice, Adhyaksha. And I would, early morning, if you've seen, early morning 6 a.m. in the Hydra office, there are hundreds and thousands of the people waiting for the justice. And all these years, I'm not blaming this government or that government, over a period of 3 to 4 decades or 5 decades, because of some incompetency or non-compliance of the rules and procedures, many vested interest people have occupied the public spaces, and this has led to creation of Hydra. And sir, you have to appreciate there is no relation between the action of Hydra in comparison to what you are saying, the real estate collapse or going. Real estate is at a slump, Adhyaksha. I would like to mention while I'm giving the answer, real estate is a slump everywhere in Mumbai, in Karnataka, in Bangalore, in Delhi, in Pune. I'll give over a period of 1 year, I'll definitely give all the statistics, Adhyaksha, for in all those cities also. I'll mention here, Adhyaksha. And second thing, while coming down to Hyderabad Central University lands. Hyderabad Central University lands, Adhyaksha. We have never touched an inch of Hyderabad Central University land. And we have also a very big concern because I hail from that university. And in fact, our Deputy Chief Minister also hails from that university. And we have utmost responsibility to safeguard this land. We are very clear to the university officials also. In recent times, the Vice Chancellor of the university and the Registrar of the university has visited us. And they also told that the land doesn't belong to them. And the concern of the two lakes or the rocks, which the youngsters have been trying to put it. And we also know that somebody is behind that to really evoke that sort of responses. Especially the people from, you know, they do it from Delhi, Adhyaksha, that they are doing it from here. I like to assure from this floor of the assembly to our honorable member Akbaruddin Owaisi Sahab and all those members that we will never be touching two lakes and also rocks which are the part and parcel of the HCU, and we don't want to claim a single inch of land from HCU, and I would like to give an assurance on behalf of our Chief Minister to Adhyaksha.
अकबर साहब
Honorable,
20 मिनट हो गए
sir, khatam karo, sir.
खत्म करो
Last 2 pages, sir. Just finishing, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, I thank Honorable Legislative Affairs Minister Saab and IT Minister Sridhar Babu Saab for giving clarification to the issues raised, sir. Sir, इसमें मैं थोड़े से चीजें जरूर बोलूँगा कि whatever are the reasons I might be wrong, sir. It's not that ke whatever I say is perfect and right, but I try to be perfect and right in whatever research I do a little bit. But at the same time, I'm a human. I can also go wrong. And wherever I have gone wrong, I will never hesitate to accept my wrong, and I would really never hesitate, and I would appreciate if I am corrected for my wrongs. And Honorable Minister for Legislative Affairs have been kind enough in correcting me and also clarifying and giving a replies to the issues which I have raised. But it is a fact that the real estate also needs to be protected. Real estate also needs to be given that confidence, and real estate also needs to be lifted, sir. This is very important. So I hope that the government would take the necessary steps and initiatives and measures to see that the real estate grows, sir. Sir, the lakes and other water bodies in HMDA area, especially in GHMC area and peripheral municipalities and municipal corporations, are not covered under Mission Kakatiya. The HMDA is assigned to task to protect the rejuvenation of the lakes in the jurisdiction outside the GHMC area. GHMC has taken care of lakes in jurisdiction. The Lake Protection Committee, HMDA, has notified as many as 2,857 water bodies, lake minor tanks, including 23 in Hyderabad district and remaining in adjoining district. Similarly, GHMC has notified 185 lakes in 24 mandals in its jurisdiction. Neither the HMDA nor the GHMC are providing funds needed to take up the protection, rejuvenation and beautification of lakes and other water bodies in their jurisdiction. The government should provide funds and personnels to the HMDA Lake Protection Committee to perform its tasks, sir. सर जैसे मेरे चंद्रायन गुट्टे में 2, 3, 4 लेक्स है सर, वो लेक्स को भी डेवलप करने के लिए एक लेक को लिया गया था डेवलप करने के लिए, लेकिन वो भी इन बिटवीन है. मैं आपके जरिए मुतालबा करूंगा कि उसको कंप्लीट करिए. एंड ऑल्सो मीरा आलम तालाब लेक को भी ब्यूटिफिकेशन के लिए करे थे, उसको भी कंप्लीट करने के लिए मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से मुतालबा करूंगा. एंड सर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग सर, विद ऑल माई GHMC area, city legislatures would really agree is that, sir, the street lights are not being getting maintained in GHMC area, sir. उनको पैसे नहीं दिए बोल रहे हैं सर. और जो है सो इतना परेशान है सर लोग वहां पे, जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स हैं, जो मेंटेन करने वाले, बच्चों की फीस नहीं दे सक रहे हैं, पैसे नहीं है. स्ट्रीट लाइट्स का इशू विच आई हैव बीन मेंशनिंग, सर काइंडली उसको एड्रेस करिए. सर दूसरा सबसे बड़ा मसला है सर, दिस इज अबाउट सर दिस गार्बेज डंपिंग सर. वो बोले थे सर वो बिन फ्री सिटी बनाएंगे, बोले सर पूरे बिना उठा दिए, रास्ते में कचरे डाल रहे हैं, कचरा उठ ही नहीं रहा है सर. और ये गंगानगर के नाले का, याकुतपुरे का हम बोले थे, आज तक नहीं हुआ. Sir, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, we had several meetings, sir. Earlier also I have discussed about this one important issue, sir. The GHMC has to give an NOC for establishment of 100-bedded hospital, sir, in Yakutpura. Ab tak wo nahi diye. Sir, the Waterworks Department has to give an NOC for establishment of 100-bedded hospital at Ballagoda. Ye bhi ab tak nahi diye. So I don't know why they don't do it, sir. Sir, the record investment in Telangana, sir, I congratulate the CM Saab for mobilizing investment of rupees 1,92,900 crores from World Economic Forum Summit at Davos in 2024 and 25, as well as from the United States, South Korea and Singapore, sir. And I congratulate my learned friend Sridhar Babu Saab for getting such a huge investment, sir. Sir, at the same time, sir, I would like to know how many investment agreements have been implemented so far, sir. The Congress government's pet project seems to be Net Zero Future City. The Future City will also house specialized zones such as AICT, Pharma Hub, Sports City, Clean Energy, Innovation Zone. I would like the government to share all the details with opposition parties on the major proposals such as Future City, sir. Sir, IT Tower मलकपेट में लाए थे, उसके लिए तेजी पैदा करने के लिए मैं मुतालबा करूंगा. महेश्वरम में भी एक IT Tower लाने के लिए हमने किया था और वहां पे भी नहीं हुआ. TS Pride और TS Prime की तरह माइनॉरिटीज के लिए भी कह रहे थे, इंक्यूबेटर्स के लिए भी एक सेंटर पुराने शहर में डालने के लिए हम बोले थे, लेकिन वहां पर भी नहीं हुआ. स्टार्टअप्स के लिए भी, सर, I may recall that soon after the formation of Telangana state in 2014, the government announced industrial incentive scheme T-IDEA for the general category of entrepreneurs and T-Pride Telangana state program for rapid incubation and Dalit entrepreneurs. Responding to the demand of AIMIM, the then Chief Minister KCR Saab had announced T-Prime Telangana state program for rapid incubation of minority entrepreneurs. However, till now, even after 11 years, this scheme has remained a non-starter. I would request the government to implement the scheme by fixing targets and conducting campaign for identification of potential entrepreneurs among minority youth in the next financial year. T-Hub and V-Hub for Southern Hyderabad. The state has set up T-Hub and V-Hub for promoting the young entrepreneurs, the women entrepreneurs. I would request the IT Minister Sridhar Babu Saab to sanction T-Hub and V-Hub units in southern part of Hyderabad adjoining the old city, sir. On the representation of AMM, the previous government has sanctioned an IT tower with estimate of outlay of 1,030 crores in public-private partnership at on 10 acres in Malakpet, sir. I request the IT Minister